Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what I have here. I have a brand new iPhone 12, and so I figured I would install a tempered glass screen protector to help protect the screen. Now, I have done videos in the past how to install these tempered screen protectors onto smartphones. But, they've been doing something new lately. They've been adding these little frames to help guide the installations, which are different than the past where you actually had to use like tape to help secure them, and then you might get bubbles. But now they're adding these little frames to help the installation process. So I wanted to try this out and see how much easier it is. Okay, and this is all that comes in the case. Actually, there's quite a bit. There's actually 3 different screen protectors here. Hopefully I'll only need one, but just in case it doesn't work out. Well, let's see. We have some wet wipes, some dry wipes, so 3 each, so 1 each. We have a little screen, little wipe here. Dust absorbers there. I think it's just some tacky, sticky stuff you see there. And of course, we have this little frame which I'm talking about, which hopefully will help assist our installation. So first things first, let's get the case off. This iPhone does have a protective case on it, so let's remove that because we can't have that on while we install the tempered glass. So before you start, you do want to wash your hands to get rid of as much oils as possible off your fingers. You can also use the wet wipes and dry wipes to clean your screen as best you can, especially if there's some residual, let's say oils or some debris that's stuck on there. But if your lens is pretty clean as is, I usually just use these little glass wipes, these microfiber wipes, to try to clean it off as best as possible. Get all the fingerprints and alike off. Okay, so I think I got it as clean as I can. No dust. So we're going to take the frame, and you notice it has this little block out here. That corresponds to the speaker top of the phone. So let's put this down, hopefully without applying any dust. Now, if you do have any dust or residual spots in here, the tempered glass won't adhere to that area, and you might get a little bit of bubble that you can't get rid of. So it's very important that you don't have any dust. Now we're going to take the tempered glass that is in the little protector here and then pull it out. Now you see it has this little tab here. And so one side is protected with a little film, which we're going to peel off. And that film, that side where we're peeling off that film, that will be the clean side that adheres to the actual glass on your phone. So we're going to peel this off. It's kind of hard to do this without actually touching the sides. So we'll do that. Very carefully rotate it. And we're just going to lay it down just naturally here. And now they say, just kind of apply your finger. I'm going to kind of hold it on the bottom here so it doesn't move. So this frame sort of positions it in the correct location. So we're just going to start from top. We're going to depress hard and just kind of slowly move it down. And you could see the color change, hopefully. Oops. Just see the color change. So I went all the way down, and you would see this color change from it turns kind of a darker black. I'm not sure if you actually saw that in the screen, but you could actually see the bubble going away. And I don't see any additional bubbles here. So let's take a look, and it looks like the glass is properly attached. So I don't see any bubbles at all. Sometimes you might get a bubble in the middle and you have to work it out. And as long as there's not a dust particle there, you could usually work out the bubbles carefully until they reach the side. Now again, if there's any dust or a little speck in there, that bubble will not go away. So you just have to make sure that everything is clean before you apply the glass. So there you go. That is how you apply tempered glass onto your phone using this new type of frame. It's kind of handy. It at least positions it well. I kind of like this. I didn't have to use any tape or anything like that like I had to do in the past. So I'm happy. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen and even consider subscribing to my channel. I'll have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.